We'll guide you through how to create Wix website design ideas that are both unique and professional. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Wix website. Log into your account, or create one if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on Create New Site to begin. You'll be prompted to choose the type of website you're planning to build, such as a portfolio, online store, or blog. This choice will help Wix tailor its suggestions to your needs. After selecting your website type, you can opt to use the Wix ADI, which stands for Artificial Design Intelligence, if you want a quick start with some automatic design ideas. Alternatively, you can choose the editor option for more hands-on control. Let's explore using the editor. Click on Choose a Template and browse through the wide array of professionally designed templates. Look for a design that matches your vision, but remember that you can always customize it later. Once you select a template, it opens in the Wix editor. Here, you can drag and drop elements like text, images, and buttons to fit your design concept. Customize the colors, fonts, and layouts to reflect your brand identity. Don't forget to explore the Wix app market where you can add additional functionalities like contact forms, booking systems, or even live chat. This could inspire new design ideas that align with your website's purpose. As you make changes, keep previewing your site using the preview button to see how it looks on desktop and mobile. It's crucial to ensure your design is responsive and user-friendly on all devices. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Publish to make your website live. Remember, you can always return to the editor to tweak your design as needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.